Assalamualaikum student, welcome to science class. Today we are starting our second topic on chapter 14. Our today's topic name is impact of population growth in environment. There are several impacts of population on our environment. Our first point is we are clear forest to cultivate more crops or farm. Due to overpopulation, we are destroying our forest and creating landfills or farms for feed our new people. Our second point is people need more land for shelter, roads and industries. Again, we are destroying our forest or we are cutting down our trees for building more shelter, more communication roads and more industries for people. Our third point is due to deforestation, it can causes soil erosion and landslide, which is a very harmful impact on our environment. Our fourth point is massive use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides for growing plant. Because we have a large population in our country, so we have to produce more food for our people. That is the main reason of using more chemical fertilizer and pesticides for growing more food. Our fifth point is burning of fossil fuel causes carbon dioxide and harmful gas. Overpopulated area produced more carbon dioxide because they are burning more fossil fuel, and they are also produced more harmful gases. These harmful gas and carbon dioxide is the main reason of global warming. So population is also responsible for global warming. Change of ecosystem. When we are destroying our forest or destroying our land resource, then we are basically change our ecosystem. This changing of ecosystem destroy many animals, their food chain and their habitats, destroy their habitats also. Our last point is using massive fertilizer and pesticide causes soil and water pollution. When we use more fertilizer or more pesticide, then it will definitely cause our soil pollution and water pollution also. Now we are starting our last topic in this chapter. The name of our last topic in this chapter is role of science and technology to solve population problem. How science and technology help us to solve our population problem. At first, science and technology help us to invent different kind of agricultural machineries. These agricultural machineries help us to produce more food in shortage period of time. Then we can talk about biotechnology. Biotechnology is a combination of science and technology which helps us to grow more nutritious plants. Our fourth point is science and technology help us to find alternative renewable resources. We are using solar electricity instead of using natural gas or coal. So this science helps us to find renewable resources. And as our last point is new mode of transportation such as hybrid car. Technology gives us different mode of transportation which reduce the. Our last point is new mode of transportation such as hybrid car. Science and technology gifted us this hybrid car. This hybrid car use gasoline and electricity as its two sources of energy, and this hybrid car also reduce the use of fossil fuel. So this is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you.